Today, we'll be taking a look at the terminal block on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, let's go ahead and take off the terminal block cover. It's held on by one 5/16 screw. Once you take this off, go ahead and slide it up and set that to the side. Now that we have the cover removed, we have clear access to the terminal block as well as the power cord. Now, the main reasons why you'd be replacing this would be if the unit is not turning on or it is not heating. A lot of times what I'll find is I'll take this cover off and I'll find inside that the block and the cord has melted. If this is the case, it will need to be replaced. Now, to start the replacement, first we have to take the ground strap off if it is a 4-prong. Take that off, and we'll just slide the screw back in here for now, just to hold it in place. Then we have multiple 1/4-inch screws that are holding on the terminals. Be careful when taking these off. We do not want to drop them inside, so what I tend to do is pull off on the terminal while removing the screw to hold it in place. Pull that out. Now let's slide our power cord out and set that to the side. Then we have 2 Phillips screws, one on each side. They'll have to be removed. This is what mounts the block on the actual dryer. Pull these out. And then let's slide the block out so that we can remove the actual wiring. Now, if you are just doing the plastic block, we'll have to take each one of these out. If you are getting the kit, you would wire nut it at this point, but we are going to show how to change out the whole block. So to remove these pins inside, there are little kind of snap-in pieces. And what we'll have to do is pull forward, press up. So press these in. Once you have it pushed in, you'll slide down and lift up. Go ahead and slide out on the nut and set it to the side. Let's do the same with all of these. So press in hard on the pin. You will slide down. Pull it out. Let's take the nut out, set that to the side. Same on this side. Press in on the pin. Just enough to clear it. Slide it down, pop out the nut, and set the block to the side. Now, before installing a new terminal block, let's go through and bend out all the tabs again so that it can lock back in place. And what you want to do is put your screwdriver right between, bend down, and it doesn't take a whole lot for it to lock. So bend it down. All right. Now, one at a time, we're going to stick a nut inside. Let's start with the red one. Stick the nut inside. Press this in, slide it up. It'll clip in place, and then your nut should be at the right spot for the screw to slide in. So let's do the same thing on the neutral. Slide it up. Slide the neutral down in and clip it in place. Let's do the same for the black. Put our nut in. Bring the black wire down. Press it in. Slide it up and clip it into place. Then let's get our 2 Phillips screws. Bring it back up and mount it. And now let's reinstall the power cord. When installing your new power cord or reinstalling your power cord, first we are going to slide all the wires through. And then let's get our 1/4-inch screws and reinstall the terminals, starting with the red on the right side. Do not put too much torque on your drill. Let's put the white in the center, followed by the black on the outside. And because this is a 4-prong, let's remove the ground screw again. We need to hook our ground back in, reinstall the screw. We will reinstall the cover plate by having the middle piece out, the side pieces in, slide them in on the frame. Bend it back, reinstall your screw, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.